Never mind my hand. I'm gonna use it anyway. Hey everyone, this is Shadia here. Today we're gonna make a stir-fried clam, Chinese style. So let's get started. First, we're gonna boil the clam to clean it up properly. Chop some garlic. I'm not going to fine chop, it's just slice them. And some ginger. I have 1 kilo of clams. Just gonna put them in. I'm gonna boil them for around 2 to 3 minutes. Lid on. The clams are opening up, so that means the clams is ready. I can take it off and wash it. Some oil in. Then I'm gonna add the garlic, ginger, green pepper, I'm gonna add some oyster sauce, then I'm gonna add some spring onion. After stirring for a little bit, I'm gonna add the clams. Stir it carefully. Then I'm gonna add some fish sauce. A little bit dark soya. A little bit of water. And at the end, I'm gonna add some chili flakes. God, I love it. After adding chili flakes, I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna cook it 2 more minutes. 2 minutes is over. The clam is ready. Here is my beautiful stir-fried clam. I love it. So that's it for today. See you in the next video, cooking something else, something really interesting. Ta-da!